Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, February 2nd, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, we saw scholars that were doing amazing skip counting. Great job, scholars, knowing how to skip count and be able to know their multiplication facts. Wow, you guys are just rocking it. We also saw scholars that were able to read, and not only read, but then understand exactly what they read and answer questions about their reading. So scholars, keep reading, keep doing math, and do your writing. Super important to write every day to strengthen those hand muscles. It's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot hoot!